everyone, it's Erin Fletta here, and I am really excited today because we are going to be showing our Patron release that was in June and that you can still get for the next 2 days, so Monday and Tuesday, as long as you become a patron before the clock runs out on June 30th, then you will be able to get these rewards. And then I'm also going to show you all the things that are going to be released on Friday, July 3rd. So I'm really excited about it, but let's go ahead and get my husband to start us off with the Patron rewards for June.
Hey everyone, it's Tyler here, and it's time again where you get to see me unpackage my Platinum tier Patron rewards and see the new releases that Erin has coming up for July. So I went ahead and cut this before starting this time because last time I struggled with it. So take out my rewards that I will be giving away at some point since I don't use this stuff. And there you go. Oh, this time I have a little bit longer of a note than last time. This is very sweet of Erin. And yes, everybody will get a little note in their Patron rewards as well, because that's just what Erin does. So, here we go. Oh, very nice card. I didn't even know she had these. All right, so starting off, we have some mini stencils. These things are adorable, and I'm pretty sure this is the first time that she's gonna be having these size stencils in her store, so that's pretty cool. And here we go with the movie stickers. Date night, other stickers of things to do. Sunflower theme is our theme, and that's fantastic. That is actually Erin's favorite flower. So, more sunflowers. I'm actually enjoying this theme. And then here we have the last page. This last sticker sheet, I was told, will be a patron exclusive, which will never be released in her shop. So that's cool. And I think one of these other sheets is also a patron exclusive, which I believe is this one. So either way, that's what we have for the patron rewards for the month of June for the Platinum tier. If y'all are interested, you like this, you want this, and you want to become a patron, if you sign up by the end of Tuesday, you'll get all of this as part of joining Erin's Patreon and becoming a patron for the Platinum tier. So there's that. If not, obviously any support is welcomed, and if you just want to have a good time and watch some videos of bullet journaling, that's also cool. Anyways, so I will be giving all this away, so comment below with your favorite Netflix show, and we will go ahead and select a winner at random. Maybe I'll pick up a new show to watch, or 2 or 3, because binging Netflix, who doesn't like to do that? And Erin will go through all this in more detail about her new releases, and hope everyone has a good day.
Thank you to my husband, Tyler. This month is going to be a little different because Cricut Design Space isn't working right now, so I don't have anything printed for you at the moment. I do have a couple items that have been printed, so I will go ahead and show you those, but a lot of them are going to be up on the screen. So the first thing that's getting released is obviously this sticker kit. So as you can see, we have these gorgeous sunflower stickers. As he mentioned, this is my favorite flower. So I was really pumped to do this theme. So as he mentioned, this one is particularly a patron exclusive. However, all 4 of the other sheets are going to be available in my shop on Friday, July 3rd. There's also a few additional sheets. So there is a quote page that was actually a downloadable for my patrons. So you'll be able to see that on the screen here. And then we have a brand new sheet this month, which are the just full length washi pages. So it runs the span of this entire sheet. So that way you can use it for more than one page. And you can see those on the screen now as well. And then last thing for these kits are the mood and the habit tracker. The habit tracker is a full circle habit tracker, and then there's some sunflowers for decoration. So if you want a habit tracker that's fully involved with this theme, there I have that available in the shop. And then also the mood tracker, which is a sunflower, and all of the petals are numbered 1 through 31 or 30 or 28. So those are both being released as well. As you can see, I also have these little mini calendars. So these fit with the grid of a standard A5 grid spacing, the 5mm dot grid spacing. So these can create little mini calendars. Hopefully you guys can see this. This one has little circles with a place for a header, and this one is squares with the little place for a header. So those actually get released as a bundle. You don't buy those separately. Those get released as 2 items. And so if you buy one listing, you'll get both of those stencils. So the next item are my large header scripts. So this comes with 3 pages. So you get this size script for all of the months, all 12 months. This was released not too long ago, and it's actually become one of my best sellers. And instead of just doing the black, I'm also adding foil options for this. So you have the rose gold, the gold, the silver, and the hollow, all available for these scripts now. The next item I'm releasing are marker swatches. So these are a previous release where you have the rainbow Tombos and then the rainbow mild liners. Instead of having color on these, you can buy them in the large or the minis. They can help you make swatch pages. So they are just the outline, and I will have a graphic for you on here. You can buy them each individually, or you can buy them as a mix and match set. So again, these are the long versions, and then you can also buy them as half versions if you want to make a large swatch page. So the next ones you've already seen, we have these movie pastel sheets. So these are only going to be available in pastel and the pastel colorway, and you have these little popcorn bins with movie night scripts. And then in addition to those, we have the podcast ones. So you have the podcast pastel colorway with podcast time scripts. In addition to those, we have TV show ones, which I will put on the screen, and music icons that are also going to be put on the screen. All of those are only available currently in the pastel colorway. The next one, yet again, I do not have a physical copy of, but this is the Harry Potter scripts. So these scripts, you have a full page of Harry Potter scripts. So it's each of the books 1 through 7, and then you can buy it in black or you can buy it in foil. Again, it's gold, rose gold, hollow, and silver. So it's available as 5 different versions of my Harry Potter scripts. The last item is based on this stencil, if you remember. So it's habit trackers, but as this circular stencil, and they're available in the pastel colorway and available in black as well. So I will put that on the screen. So you can do mix and match, or you can do one of any color. So that's all the releases that I have for you in July. I am so sorry that I wasn't able to show you all the physical items. It's a bit frustrating because now I'm behind on orders. For those that are waiting on their orders, I have messaged you, and you'll be getting a freebie because it has been out all weekend. So I can make stencils, but I cannot print and cut right now. So I'm doing everything I can. I'm so sorry for anyone that's getting delays because of this. And I will try to keep you as updated as possible. And please check my Instagram stories. I will keep things updated on there, and I will try to continue messaging for those who are either delayed currently or may be delayed. So this was actually happening at the beginning of the week also. So that's it's been a crazy week this past week. But I'm really excited. I'm really excited to have the Patron stickers ready to be released. Those are all print and cut, so if you do become a patron by the end of the month, those will ship out immediately. So no worries about that. Hopefully you all end up liking the kits. And again, if you don't want to become a patron, those kits will be available on July 3rd. So thank you so much for watching this video, for my husband for filming a video yet again for me, and for giving away his patron reward. It's really sweet of him. So thank you so much. Don't forget to comment below with your favorite Netflix show. We will be picking a winner on Sunday, July 3rd, 4th, 5th? 5th. July 5th? Maybe. We'll be picking a winner on Sunday. This giveaway is not affiliated with YouTube at all. This is just me and my husband trying to give away stickers that he's not going to use, but he wants to support me on Patreon, so that's totally fine. So thank you so much. I will see you next time. Please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, all that kind of jazz. I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.